Hi, does the Poco X7 Pro have a 3.5mm headphone jack input? So let's check together by examining the device closely at the above, top, and the bottom of the phone. Unfortunately, you won't find a 3.5mm headphone jack. The device includes microphones, but no headphone jack input for traditional wired headphones with a 3.5mm connector. And for those who want to use wired headphones, you have two options. First one is purchase a pair of Type-C headphones, and second one to use a Type-C to 3.5mm audio converter. Type-C headphones are readily available in online and offline markets. You can easily plug them into the charging port, which is located on the bottom of the phone, and start listening to music. But please remember, after connecting any Type-C headphones or using an audio converter, you need to enable OTG connection. For that, go in Settings, then scroll down and find additional settings. And now just scroll a bit more and here you'll find OTG feature. Just tap it to enable and now you can connect Type-C devices. And also note that it will turn off automatically after 10 minutes idle. So yeah, that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.